Fashion fellas, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about a topic that's incredibly important but often overlooked by men: hairstyles. Think about it, your hair is one of the first things people notice about you. It can say a lot about your personality, your attention to detail, and even your confidence. Trust me, women notice it. If your hair is messy or unkempt, it doesn't exactly scream, "I've got my life together." Personally, I make it a point to visit my barber once a week to get my sides trimmed and keep my cut fresh. Why? Because a sharp haircut makes me feel more confident, more put together, and honestly, just better about myself overall. It's like hitting a reset button for the week. Plus, there's something about sitting in that barber chair, catching up on life, and walking out looking like your best self that's just unbeatable. Taking care of your hair isn't just about looking good. It's about showing that you value yourself. And when you value yourself, others notice too. So, with that said, let's dive into the top 5 men's hairstyles that never go out of style. These are the haircuts that are timeless, always stylish, and guaranteed to leave a lasting impression. My name is Umari and I have a passion for fashion. I want to share all the stuff that I know with you guys. So, without further ado, let's get started.
Get it? Text a message, I don't know the number. Flexing on these niggas, every bone muscle.
Let's start with number 5, the classic side cut. This is the OG of men's hairstyles. It's clean, polished, and perfect for any occasion, whether you're heading to the office, a wedding, or even a casual dinner. The side part has been a go-to since the 1920s, and it hasn't lost its charm. Why? Because it's simple, sophisticated, and works for almost any face shape and hair type. It's also ridiculously easy to style. All you need is a good comb and some pomade or gel. Comb your hair to one side and you're done. The beauty of this cut is its versatility. You can keep it neat for formal occasions or go for a more relaxed look when you're off duty. It's a timeless choice that will never let you down. Next, we have number 4, the crew cut. This one is for the no-fuss guys who want something simple and low maintenance. The crew cut became popular in the military, where practicality was key. It's short, clean, and gives off an effortlessly masculine vibe. Think of it as the haircut version of a white t-shirt. This style works great for guys with strong facial features because it really puts your face front and center. Plus, it's super easy to maintain. You don't need to spend ages styling it in the morning. Just a quick touch-up at the barber every few weeks and you're good to go. It's no wonder this cut has stood the test of time. Let's move on to number 3, the buzz cut. It's the ultimate "I woke up like this" hairstyle. It's bold, it's simple, and it screams confidence. With a buzz cut, you're not hiding behind anything. Your facial structure, your jawline, everything is on display. It's minimalistic and super edgy. This style is perfect for guys who are either tired of dealing with their hair or just want to try something new. It's also a great option if you're thinning up top. A buzz cut can actually make you look sharper and more put together. Celebrities like Zayn Malik and Channing Tatum have proven that this cut is all about owning your look and embracing simplicity. Fashion fellas, if you're finding this guide helpful so far, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. I also linked 10 of my favorite fashion items in the video description down below, so you can check them out. And by the way, you can shop all the outfits I present on my social media directly through the LTK app. It's free and I've got everything organized there to make upgrading your wardrobe as simple as possible. Coming in at number 2 is the pompadour, the hairstyle with flair, volume, and a whole lot of personality. This style first became popular in the 1950s thanks to icons like Elvis Presley and James Dean. But it's not stuck in the past. Modern takes on the pompadour pompadour have kept it alive and thriving. This one's perfect for guys who want to make a statement. It works best for medium to thick hair, and yes, it requires a bit more effort. You will need a good blow dryer, some pomade and a little patience. But trust me, when you get it right, the results are worth it. It's bold, stylish, and gives off major rockstar vibes. Finally, we've got the Undercut. This is the king of timeless hairstyles. With its short sides and longer top, the Undercut is endlessly versatile. You can slick it back, leave it messy, or add some texture for a casual look. It's basically a canvas for you to customize however you like. The Undercut has been around since the early 20th century, but it had a major resurgence thanks to shows like Peaky Blinders. Let's be honest, who doesn't want to look as sharp as Thomas Shelby? This cut works for almost any hair type, whether you've got straight, wavy or curly hair. It's the perfect blend of classic and modern, making it the ultimate timeless hairstyle. Now, before we wrap up, let me say this. No matter which hairstyle you choose, the key to pulling it off is proper care. A great haircut is only half the battle. The other half is keeping it fresh. That means regular trips to the barber, using the right products, and making sure your hair is clean and healthy. Remember, people notice when you take care of yourself. And it's not about just impressing others. It's about feeling good about yourself. A fresh haircut can boost your confidence, and that confidence is magnetic. So make the effort. It's worth it. Fashion fellas, and that's basically it. The top 5 men's hairstyles that never go out of style. From the classic side part to the edgy undercut, these cuts are proof that great style is timeless. Whether you're looking for something simple and low maintenance, or bold and eye-catching, there's a hairstyle on this list for you. Thanks for tuning in, and hey, remember, a sharp haircut isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling like the best version of yourself. My name is Umari, I wish you all the best, until next time, peace.
Get it? Text a message, I don't know the number. Flexing on these niggas, every bone and muscle.